welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. My name is Olivia and I love to do daily lifestyle videos here on my channel. One of them being Young Living unboxing orders. If you don't know what Young Living is, it is a company that really focuses on essential oils, but they have like everything. They have a baby line, a kids line, they have cleaning products, makeup, like you name it, Young Living has it. I love their products. I've now been using them for over a year. I swear by them. They are non-toxic, healthy, no crazy ingredients in them that you can't read what they are, and that's why I really trust them and why I really like them for my body, for my home. So I love their products, and every single month I place an order with them. The name was recently switched over to Subscribe to Save, but it was called Essential Rewards, and this is just like the monthly order that you make. So if you plan on purchasing Young Living products, like trying new ones or replenishing your old ones that you run out of, you should definitely be on Subscribe to Save because you get rewards back. So every dollar I spend, I'm pretty much essentially getting like points for that, and I wind up getting money back. So I have points right now that I can pretty much use on anything from Young Living's website, which is awesome because no other company does that. I'm getting things here that like I could be getting at Target or the grocery store, even like anywhere else, and instead I'm getting them online, shipped to my door, and I get points back in return for them. So for me, it's totally worth it because I know I'm going to be using these products anyway. So let's get right into this month's order for July. I put on my Instagram story when I processed it. So if you are on the Subscribe to Save, what you should do if you don't do this already, because sometimes the shipping can take a little while, if you go in, like I have my Subscribe to Save processing on the 2nd of every month. But what I do is I go in on the 1st, I double check my order, I make sure everything's good, I add anything if I want to add anything, and then I hit the Process Today button that's in the virtual office on the website. If you don't know how to do this, I would highly recommend doing that because it will ship a lot quicker to you. I wound up getting this box into me within like 6 or 7 days, which seems like normal business times, but sometimes Young Living can take a while with their shipping. So if you process it today, it comes a lot quicker. Just a little hack for you, or a little tip. So first thing that I placed, which I pretty much place every single month, is the Thieves Whitening Toothpaste. There is an entire Thieves line, that's their cleaner, and it is just good for like building your immune system and cleaning germs and purifying the air. The Thieves Whitening Toothpaste is my favorite. It's also an Aroma Bright, which the Aroma Bright is actually really good for deodorant. Another little hack for you if you did not know. I just found this out the other day, but I don't do it on myself just because I get Botox under my arms, like nothing works for me. I have a whole video explaining why I get it, but I don't even risk like trying natural deodorants for me just because I know like it's not going to work for me personally, so I just don't prefer it. But anyway, Aroma Bright, if you do like a pea-sized amount, just a little bit, and put it on your pits, then it works as a natural deodorant as well. But I like the whitening one because who doesn't want white teeth? I know I do. So I just have one of these on my order every single month because sometimes it goes out of stock and we don't want to be out of toothpaste. Everything else looks like oils. I literally forget what I ordered. That happens every single time. I ordered a Peace and Calming 2. So if you get a starter bundle with Young Living, it comes with the Peace and Calming 1, which is a little bit more pricey than the Peace and Calming 2, so I usually just purchase the 2. I love the smell of this. It's definitely one of my favorite smells. I diffuse this one at night, but you can also diffuse it whenever you just feel like you need that like calming aroma. A lot of parents use this when they have kids, and they'll diffuse this around nighttime or evening to kind of get their kids to settle down. So it is just a great smell. I love it. Ooh. 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 Okay, I didn't realize I was getting this many free oils. I mean, I probably did, but forgot. Lemon Myrtle. I have never purchased this one before. I have the Lemon Verbena, I believe it is, and the new Luscious Lemon. You have to get that one if you did not already. It came out during convention this year. It is the Luscious Lemon scent from their hand soap, but now they have like the hand soap, the oil. It smells so good. I literally have it going in my diffuser non-stop. It is amazing. So you definitely need to get Luscious Lemon if you have not already. But I wanted to try the Lemon Myrtle because this is in a lot of diffuser blends that I've been wanting to try. Ooh, very fresh. Very, very fresh. That is a good one. I didn't realize, I don't know why or how, but Dreamcatcher, I've ordered this oil before. I didn't realize it came in a 5 ml. And I'm running a little bit low on my 15 ml. I purchased the 15 ml, so these are the size difference for reference. They only come in 2 sizes, the oils, 5 ml or 15 ml. And I ordered the 15 ml Dreamcatcher a long time ago, months and months ago. I still have it. I don't diffuse it every single night, but I do diffuse it every once in a while when I feel like I have very vivid dreams, which does happen quite often. So I'm surprised that this oil has lasted as long as it does. It basically smells like peace and calming, but like way better. And it really, really does help. If you are someone that experiences very vivid dreams or night terrors or anything like that, I would highly recommend giving the Dreamcatcher oil a try. I really like it, and I do feel like it helps with my like crazy dreams. I've kind of always had crazy dreams that I remember, so I do feel like that helps. But Young Living this month of July has some buy one get one offers, and one of them was buy a 5 ml of Dreamcatcher and you get a 5 ml of cedarwood, and both of these are some of my favorites to diffuse at night. Cedarwood is a very, very sweet smell. Love it. Diffused it last night, and I usually, again, diffuse this one at night, but you can really diffuse it like whenever you want. And the Dreamcatcher, I just said about, but I love Dreamcatcher. Didn't realize it came in 5 ml, so that's pretty exciting. So purchased the 5 ml and I got the cedarwood for free, which is really cool. And they have a couple other offers right now. I know if you buy a 15 ml of peppermint, which is my favorite oil of all time, then you get a 5 ml of the Vitality peppermint, which is the one that's like digestible. So that's just another one that I can think of on the top of my head. But there's a couple BOGO offers right now. But if you go on their website, you'll see that. I believe this is the last one that I purchased, and this is Joy. So this is a 15 ml of Joy. They actually have an offer right now too from, I think it was from like the last convention 2 years ago, where if you buy 15 ml of Joy, you can also get the one that has like the diffuser earrings, and they're really, really cute. I should have got those. I don't know why I didn't, because I actually do want them, but whatever, it's fine. I put a roller top on this. Here, let me show you. And you can get roller tops off of Amazon, or I actually prefer the Young Living ones because the ones I've gotten off of Amazon before leak sometimes. So I just buy them right off of Young Living's website. There's like a pack of roller tops. There comes with so many of them. They're really not expensive. So I pop a roller top on it, and then I roll it over my heart every single day. I needed another one of those because I'm like almost out of mine. And then my free oils this month are brand new ones for me. And because it's July, they oftentimes in July will do like kind of back to school kid type of oils, which I don't even want to think of back to school yet because I feel like my summer just started. First one is Gentle Baby. That is like one of the most like not strong smelling oils. I don't know how to explain that any other way. Like a lot of the oils, when you smell them the first time, it kind of like takes you back a little bit because they're very strong, very potent. But this one really is like gentle. There's not a strong smell, but it smells very nice, relaxing, calming. This will be a good one. I'll try this diffusing at night. The other one that I got for free, which is pretty exciting because this is a big boy. This is a 15 ml. This is from the Kid Sense line, and this is Kid Sense Power, Kid Power. So this is supposed to help with like focus and just giving you that like oomph that you need. And obviously it's meant for kids because it's from the Kid Sense line, but you can use it on literally anyone. What that means when it's from the Kid Sense line or the Seedlings line, which is the baby line, it just means that it's already pre-diluted, so it's safe to put on children like topically. That's all that really means, but anybody can use it. Ooh, that smells good. It smells lemony. I like that a lot. I'm gonna do a drop of that on my head today, I think, because I am leaving here. It's actually the morning right now, and I'm leaving to go do some work at like my local cafe after this. So usually I will use Kid Sense Genius because that is one of the best smelling oils in my opinion, and it helps me focus really well. So I'll do like a drop of that on my crown, put some here on my wrist, roll them together, and that just kind of helps me focus when I go and get some work done. But I think I'm gonna try the Kid Sense Power today and see how that works. Lots of oils this month. That was a good one. Really check out those BOGO options because they are only for the month of July while supplies last. So I would definitely give those a go if there's an oil in there that you like or want to try. why not get a free one with that as well? If you have not tried out the Convention products, definitely I would recommend doing that. I didn't make a video on it because I didn't order that much, but I will briefly just say I got the Luscious Lemon Essential Oil. Love it so much. It's been literally diffusing nonstop since I've gotten it. And then the only other thing that I ordered from Convention is the Lavender Mint Shampoo and Conditioner, which is the clarifying one, and I love it. It is so hard to find natural shampoos and conditioners that are safe and like non-toxic and clean with like not crazy ingredients that are good, and I love this one. It actually suds up more than I thought it would. So when you have that like foaming property on any type of like shampoo, conditioner, hand soap, dish soap, anything that foams up, that's called SLS, sodium lauryl, I don't even know how to say it, lauryl sulfate, whatever, SLS. That is not a good ingredient at all. It is full of fake fragrance and it is a hormone disruptor. So I try to stay away from things that say fragrance or SLS. There are obviously like hundreds of bad ingredients, but those are two of like my big ones that I try to stay away from. But SLS is the foaming property that's in a lot of those products. So a lot of the times natural cleaning products or natural shampoos and conditioners, they don't have that SLS, so they don't foam up really easily like any other product would, essentially. And that doesn't mean it's not cleaning, but obviously we are so used to that. We're so accustomed to things like foaming up, and if it foams up a lot, that means, oh, it's cleaning me really well. Not always the case, of course, but I was surprised at the Young Living shampoo and conditioner how well it actually did foam up. Not a lot, of course, but it did get more sudsy than I expected it to get, and I really, really like it. It makes my hair feel super clean. It is a clarifying shampoo and conditioner, so I'm only going to use it about once a week, and then when I run out of the one that I'm using every day now, then I'm definitely going to get the Copaiba one, which is their moisturizing one. They came out with a moisturizing, the clarifying, and I forget what the other one is. I want to say it's like a soothing? I don't know. I totally forget what the third one is, but I know that as soon as I run out of the one I have now, I'm going to be getting the moisturizing one because I really, really like it. A little bit goes a long way. And if you need a good clarifying shampoo, I would definitely try out that Lavender Mint one. I've used it twice now, and then I even had my mom try it, and she really liked it too. So definitely give that a go if you have not already. If you are not started with Young Living, what are you waiting for? I've been using their products over a year now. I would not talk about them so much or make videos every single month for over a year if I did not trust their products and love them and use them literally every single day. So if you are not a member yet, I would highly recommend it. You can get started by grabbing a starter bundle, which are like pre-bundles made that come with like diffusers and oils and samples and like so many goodies. Or they changed it now, which is awesome, so you don't have to necessarily buy a starter bundle. If you just spend 150 PV, point value, basically $150, which is pretty much the cost of like the most popular premium starter kit anyway, then you can make a custom bundle. So you could get literally whatever you wanted by just spending 150 PV. But I like the bundles. I think that they are well worth every penny, because even though you're spending like 150, the value of it is like $400 because you're getting a diffuser, 12 oils, and all these samples. It's good. Go online, check out their options. I have a link in my description box. It never goes anywhere, so definitely click that, check it out. You can always message me if you want help on it. Also, I wanted to mention that if you are already a Young Living member but you wanted to transfer and be on my team, then I would love to have you, and we could totally make that happen. Just shoot me a message on Instagram or an email or something, and we'll get that started for you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps out my channel so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!